Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make lassi, mango lassi. I'm going to be using a mango pulp which comes in a tin. I'm just going to be using a regular yogurt, uh, whole milk and some sugar. Okay, first I'll add the yogurt. I've got here half of the jar, so that's in weight it's about 500 grams. A very creamy yogurt. If you like your lassi really thick, then you do not add milk, just only yogurt. But because the yogurt is so creamy, it's going to be very thick. So adding the milk or water would make it a bit light. Okay, the mango pulp, I would add about 1/4. So it would be about a cup. Okay, the milk, I'm gonna roughly about 2 cups. Okay, now add the sugar. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons because the mango pulp is quite sweet and you probably have some sugar in it already. Okay, we are ready to start blending. Okay, I'm gonna check the sweetness. Yes, okay. Okay, here you can check the thickness. If you like it light, then you just add more water or milk. But I think this is just about right. Okay, I'm adding some more mango pulp because I couldn't taste the mango really more. So I think that should be there. Just one more. Okay, I've just added some ice cubes, but I didn't film it. Okay, so okay, the mango lassi is ready, and let's put it into a glass. Nice and creamy, very thick.